we have having this discussion if this would have been a necklace ad or an earring ad. Would we even talk about it? No, we're talking about it because it's Raksha Bandhan. Definitely. I feel like there's also this bubble that a lot of actors and maybe even ad agencies are inside, and they have lost touch with the reality and what's going on in families, what's going on in Bharat, what's going on in terms of sanskari and what you're wearing for festivals. I have no issue with her outfit if it would have been a red carpet event. I have an issue that she takes, not even her, it's the ad agency, it's the makers, that she has answered something that actually I wanted the brand to answer is on a different page at all. But I feel like it's not fitting what she's wearing. It's just not fitting to the whole idea of Raksha Bandhan. So red carpet, you can wear something like this, tying a Rakhi to your brother, wearing this. I don't know what the reaction would be from a brother. I find it that they have lost touch, and you can see that many a times outfits are being worn also on the red carpet where it's a little questionable, but that's your choice. You're not advertising and you're not influencing youngsters, you're not influencing young girls. And as I said in my tweet as well, the biggest disservice done to women is saying that female empowerment and feminism means less clothes. Yeah, but the question is, that was also somebody's comment online, that you're saying that a movie, if Kriti Sanon is wearing a bikini in a movie or a short dress in a movie, it is equal to showing it in an ad. And I think that's the line that needs to be crossed. This is an ad for Raksha Bandhan. This is not a movie. This is not a fictitious story. This has nothing to do with the movie industry. We are discussing what she was wearing in this ad, and was this done on purpose to create a controversy, to put a brand that has not been in the limelight on a higher pedestal? I have this question, and I was in the beginning saying it is the ad makers and the brand behind it, and then later I found out she's a stakeholder and the brand ambassador. Because I was thinking, okay, she's an actor, they told her to wear this, she's wearing it. Many a times you can't get out of this. I have experienced it myself. I didn't want to wear a certain outfit, and I had to wear that outfit even though I didn't feel comfortable with it because it was a requirement. But in this case, I have to change my opinion on this because, first of all, she answered on behalf of the brand, I think. And secondly, she is also probably behind the styling and the look and everything.